राजा श्रीपतराव भगवंतराव महाविद्यालयाहून डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजिक्स BSc पार्ट फर्स्ट सेमिस्टर फर्स्ट पेपर सेकंड यूनिट फर्स्ट gravitation. Today we are going to discuss applications of satellite. There are many applications of satellites, that's like weather forecasting, navigation, satellite phone, satellite radio, television, internet, astronomy, military application, environment. These are the some applications. Today we are discussing weather forecasting. Weather forecasting, satellites continuously monitor the climate and weather conditions of the earth. They use sensors called radiometers for measuring the heat energy released from the earth's surface. So this is very useful application of the satellite. Second one is the navigation. Navigation refers to determine the geographical location of object. The satellites that are used to determine geographic location of aircraft, ships, cars, trains, or any other object are called as navigation satellites. GPS means Global Positioning System is an example of navigation system. It allows the user to determine their exact location at anywhere in the world. The third application is the satellite phone. Satellite phone is a type of mobile phone that uses satellites instead of cell towers of transforming the signal or information over a long distance. Mobile phones that use cell towers will work only within the coverage area of cell tower. If we go beyond a coverage area of cell tower, or if we reach the remote areas, it becomes difficult to make the voice calls or send text messages with mobile phones. Unlike the mobile phones, satellite phones have a global coverage. Satellite phones are geostationary satellites and low Earth orbit satellites for transmitting the information. Where the person makes a call from satellite phone, the signal is sent to the satellite. The satellite receives that signal, processes it, and redirect the signal back to the earth via gateway. The gateway then sends the signal or call to the destination by using a regular cellular and landline network. The fourth application is a satellite radio. Satellite radio is a wireless transmission service that uses orbiting satellites to deliver the information or radio signals to the consumer. It is primarily used in cars when the ground station transmits signal to the satellite that is revolving around the earth. The satellite receives the signal, amplifies it, and redirects the signal back to the earth. So these are the four applications of satellite. Further applications as television, internet, astronomy, military application, environmental applications, these are discussed in the next lectures. Thank you.